Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Honor Pad V9. Okay, so let's begin. We have two methods how we can reset this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is a simple reset using our settings, and the second method is a reset through the recovery mode. So let me show you both of the options. For the simple reset from the settings, open up your settings first. Now scroll down into the bottom until you find System and Updates, and now find the reset options. In here, of course, we are interested in the last option, Reset Tablet, but in here we can also reset all settings and reset network settings if you want. Simply click on that and click on this blue button then. But we need to click on Reset Tablet, and now in here we have a list of data which will be deleted permanently from your device. So remember about it. Also, before the reset, you can create a backup. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you step by step how to do it. So if you want, you can look for it. Now simply click on Reset Tablet, follow the instruction on the screen, and if you do everything properly, the device will be turned off, then turn on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. So that's the first method. And we have the second method, which is through the recovery mode, and this method is recommended. For example, when the device is unresponsive, it's not working properly, it's lagged or frozen. So first, let's turn off our device. Let's hold the power button, which is located right in here. Okay, and now click on power off. Tap once more. Now our device has been turned off. Okay, and now to enter the recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and the volume up button right in here. So simply hold both of the buttons at the same time. The Honor logo appeared. Let's keep on holding. Okay, and now we are in the recovery mode. Now, we can use volume keys to move around this menu, but we can also use our fingers simply by touching the screen. So now we want to select Clear Data. Now select Factory Reset. Now we need to type the word yes using our keyboard. Now click on Factory Reset. And now the process has started, so let's wait until it's finished. And within a few seconds, all our data should be wiped. Okay, that's all. And now click on Back. Now click on Restart. And now, just like in the previous method, all you need to do now is to wait until your device will be turned on. And next thing you need to do is to set up it. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.